Is there still an 80 on channel 2?
I think they got him on 12 bucks.
10-4. Oh, is that really? How do you know? Fuck, I need food.
Starfox 1 has no visual of anyone on the yacht whatsoever. Stand by or keep looking.
Any other units coming to the yacht?
Stand by, let me see who we got on duty.
Guess everyone else is busy, Pobox.
At 10-4.
Alright, 616, we should be good to roll then.
10-4.
I don't see anything inside either.
10-4, you want to go ahead and clear with Miller, I believe? Actually, it's for us. Yeah.
I didn't see anyone on that top deck as well.
Come with me, Frost.
10-4.
Clear the bottom together first, okay? You clear left, I clear right.
Cool.
Let's go.
LSPD, anyone inside, make yourself known. LSPD. LSPD, anyone inside, make yourself known. LSPD, anyone inside, make yourself known.
Bottom's clear. They fuck up, I guess.
Wait, Brick, we got an individual on the north front of the deck.
I'm not.
Yeah, I believe it's in all blue. Inside,
On the side.
Garcia. He's running out
Yeah,
to the
he's
main
running
area,
back to the
second floor,
set.
two
There's Two
people.
of them. Two with scuba tanks on.
Oh, we're not gonna be able to keep up then.
They're in the third level now, I guess you would call it.
Shot, guys. It could be armed.
LSPD, anyone inside, make yourself known. LSPD.
I believe they're going to be a floor below you guys. Yep, directly underneath where you are now.
LSPD, make yourself known.
Hello.
LSPD, anyone inside, make yourself known.
Hello, guys.
Hello. Hello, officers. My friend right now. You're talking right now. Yeah, it sounds a little fucked up. Well, can I help you?
Garcia's making contact.
Yeah, what's going on here?
Okay, well, us too. This is Scuba Enterprises. We do scuba diving lessons, and we had came down here for a class earlier, but as you can see, the weather got to us, and now it's fucking thunderstorming and all. So now we're searching, and we send out the next lesson for our next class.
Next lesson for the next class.
Yes.
That's what you're waiting on.
No, we are here at the yacht, putting together our next lesson, our next class.
Got Marty Banks's car parked under
Would you
the,
like some
pier.
identification or something, officer?
Can you guys identify yourselves? Who is this?
Sure.
Copy that. This is
Well, I'm Jack Cortera here.
Through investigation just says been discovered to be a
I'll
bank
show you my
robbery or like
documentation
a robbery,
here.
I guess.
Scuba Enterprises.
There's a safe, I believe, somewhere in the first floor.
Here you go.
Okay, just be advised, they're using the same excuse they told us yesterday.
Alright.
They're doing scuba lessons or something.
Give me a sec, okay?
Honestly, I feel like we should go board it and clear it and search them, honestly.
Alright, so.
Yeah, it's Marty Banks and Jack
you
Ortera
shut
again.
up.
And just like you said, they're talking about scuba stuff.
Yeah, because they're just gonna say this every single time, and I mean, this is count as arrest now technically, because this is the second time they use the exact same excuse, and we're getting the same thing.
What are you thinking, Espinosa?
Officer, so did you guys find anything?
I mean, do they have a business? Is it registered with the city?
We just...
Okay, so tell me more about this business you're talking about.
I mean, I feel
So
like
we
we should
had
do a
called y'all
well
down
search
here, right?
on board, search the place, search them.
I'm sorry?
We had called y'all down here, right? It
I
was
mean,
also
we've
called,
gotten
so.
instructions from Soze that if the business is not registered in the city, and I mean, it's
Sorry, I'm listening to the
not
radio.
operating legally.
Okay.
I guess.
Said you called us down here.
Yes, we were the ones that made the call, right?
No, the security company did.
What's that?
We got a call from the security company.
No, it was us who made the call. There's some people on the jet skis right as we were trying to put together the lessons. That's where we were here on the second floor because
We've also caught them
when we were
robbing
down at the very bottom, right,
this place before.
setting up to where we were gonna run the tracks, some people on some jet skis just kept blowing the waves at us, and
I mean, that and they also.
so we just came up here and we're driving off. So
Okay, wait, can you tell me, okay, tell me more about these lessons or whatever you're talking about.
okay, what you looking for? Something?
Sunport, can you go ahead and clear the engine?
Well, right
Uh,
now,
You just named, you
Hey,
named the
George,
business that you are part of.
yeah, that's right. Would you
Okay.
like to see my the business license or
I'm
I
not
mean,
inclined to believe these
business
guys. This time
pass or whatever?
Yeah, is it registered
Business card?
to the city?
that's right. I'll share with you with the document and you can take a look.
Oh, they used it yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
about the exact same time as well.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
One more time.
Yeah, at this point I would get them detained. Chris.
Okay, Lucifer, this is the business card. Now, I do have also in the yellow pages. The lessons are up. I should probably take that down now since it is thunderstorming, but we are looking for, you know, new up and coming scuba divers all the time. So if you have a lesson or two on your day off, just let us know.
All right.
It's
Okay. So you show me the scuba license or whatever for scuba. Is that how is
yeah,
scuba?
Scuba Enterprises.
Okay. And is this company
It's a private
registered to the
company.
city?
No, it's a private company.
Okay, but you should have like some kind of registered business, should you not?
I wish my associate could take over right now, but he's having issues with his throat run.
Sorry, we can wait.
Well, it's been like this for like 15 minutes, 20 minutes.
Ah, okay.
He needs to like take a nap.
How about if he takes a nap and we'll get Air 1 to pick him up at the pier over here.
Yeah,
Does that work out for you?
yeah, that works.
Espinosa, one of the individuals here is having an issue with speaking to us, so he needs to take a brief nap. Are you possible to pick him up at the pier and drop him back over again?
Yeah, I'll do that.
It's gonna be one of those situations where if cops don't go along with it, you get shit for it, even though it's been allowed multiple times. These fanboys are gonna be like, oh my god, cops are not going with roleplay.
Copy that. Welcome to the shift. Can I get you to swing past the jewelry store and check if there's any hostages there? We had a robbery ping there a moment ago.
RP is there,
And 476 momentarily.
so should we just allow people to just print money for free? Is there role playing it?
How much are your scuba lessons?
They're saying the same thing over and over
sometimes we
again.
Charge, like today it was free trials because
Oh god, I'm
Garcia.
sorry.
scuba's not that bad, Garcia. What the hell's the problem? Other days, like yesterday it was 2K per lesson.
Yeah.
I don't know. I wonder what Coil would do in this situation.
Do scuba diving?
Because I know, like, kind of like Espino said in the beginning of 3.0, when like everybody was like doing
They get, like, qualified after
623 at the 90 and jury. No vehicles out on standby.
when everybody was doing their big business shit, like Rami was like doing the, you know, Bugstar shit.
What do you see down there?
At first Coil allowed it, but then he was like, well, if they don't have a registered business to the city, then shouldn't be allowing it anymore. But that's also when 3.0 was like 100 times more strict. I feel like it's nearly as strict anymore, so I wonder what would happen.
Sharks? Stingrays?
You guys can easily catch them. The MRPD is broken. Nopixel, shut the fuck up. You goddamn fucking, oh my god, you're so cringe.
606, you're so critical today.
You are so cringe, man.
Copy that. Would you mind swinging past Little Soul 24/7 for the robbery there as well?
476.
I mean, I understand kind of what you're saying right now. Like, I mean, I understand fully what you're saying, but still sound like shit.
Cringy little fanboys, man. Guys, I know I need food. Oh my god, shut up. Please.
What's the situation? We should, Madison, you should come. 77's here.
Oh my god, chat's getting so AIDS so quickly, man.
At the yacht. Do you need me mobile or in a boat?
We already have 2 boats out. Ideally, you, if you can wait in the beach with the vehicle ready, that'll be good.
No, it's not.
Shut up, Ramsey. Ura Kutu, thank you for the 5 gifted.
The second individual hasn't woken up, right?
Yo, Abby, thank you for the 5.
Let me find out.
Has he
I'm,
woken
I'm
up yet,
waiting
or?
at the pier.
He woke up and then he kept trying to call me like, see if he's alright. He wasn't, so then he's trying one more time. He's waking up right now.
Alright.
Yeah, he should be waking up any second.
We would have the issues since, I don't know if the fucking storm or something, but ever since that thing
Okay.
got booted up, swear to God. Swear to God.
Echo 5576, latest 911.
Give me a second, chat, sorry.
sorry it's taking so long, guys.
Nah, it's all good.
Okay.
I understand, man.
Yeah.
All right, chat. Yo, Rosa, thank you for the 3 months, by the way. Sorry, who else did I miss out? I want to be on top. Thank you for the gifted. Stop asking me what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna do what I want to do, okay? And I'm
Echo
just
55 is
don't know what I want to
clear.
do. I'm just gonna
That 911.
play what I want to play whenever I want to play it.
Copy that.
Melcy, hopefully I said it right. Thank you for the 2 gifted.
Hello?
I believe the second individual's at the pier.
Yeah, I think he's woken up a few times and he's having the same issue, so.
Yeah, 10-4, he can't speak. Can you guys clear the helipad? 10-4, can you clear the helipad?
I got you.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Hey, Tack. Tacky buddy.
Hello?
So, what's going on?
Well, bro, ever since we got on this freaking boat, the rain hit, the thunderstorm
Oh,
hit,
but yeah, like I say,
this
they
guy's
don't have
freaking head
legitimate
popped.
business. They
There he
used
is.
this, yesterday.
This guy's voice. It's a robot now. He's got water damage in his
all
lungs.
they have is a brochure. I think we should get them detained and pressed.
Okay.
That's what's going on here,
yacht.
Garcia.
All right. Well, listen up, Jack.
Hey, fam.
All right. Well, listen. Well, what's gonna happen here is, since you guys don't have a registered business, you're only showing us this card of yours, but doesn't really. No. Okay. Yes. Private company. Yes. But.
We're still employed by the company, man.
Okay, but this company or private company isn't registered. So we're gonna have to detain you guys. We're gonna frisk you guys.
Well, even if it's a private company, you still have to pay company tax and all that. They have to be registered with the DOJ. So you can't just, have a company that's not registered.
Oh, we knew on the job, man.
Okay, well, the only thing is that every time you guys have been here, the security company's called us about a security breach on the yacht. So, you know, if you've got a proper registered business within the city that backs up what you're saying, I mean, I took your word for it yesterday. We even looked for the jet skis and stuff that you guys had said, but you're literally telling me the same thing today as what you told me yesterday. And there's no 311, 911 from you guys or anything. There's nothing other than we got a another call from the security company regarding a security breach on the yacht. So, I mean, you got to look at it from our point of view as well, guys.
Say a security breach? What the hell are you talking about?
Sorry?
You say you get a security breach, Carl?
That is correct.
You like to look around. I mean, no one's stopping you.
Yeah, that's no worries. So what we will do is, you guys are here, so we're going to detain you. Just double check you have nothing illegal on you. If you don't, you're going to be good to go. No problem at all. We'll check the yacht out, make sure that the yacht's all free and clear, and then if that's the case, then everything's good. You guys are free to carry on. So, you know. But I would strongly suggest before you come back here and operate business again that you get it registered within the city, because otherwise it will not be recognised. Does that sound fair enough?
I'm gonna go ahead and refuel the helicopter in the meantime.
Yeah, I got a gun.
Hey, fam.
Oh, no worries. Yeah, that's fine. We'll get you detained. We'll just use a quick pat down and make sure you got nothing illegal on you. And if that's the case, everything's all good. You good with that, Garcia? Yep.
Yeah. Alright, John.
Alright.
We'll put you in cuffs for now.
Shit, you had a gun. You got 3 guns.
And then
Jack had
out.
one.
And do not freaking touch any of them papers, man.
I'm just gonna
my
place these on you,
grandma.
bud.
That's the only way I talk to my grandma, man. She gives me letters every week, right?
Oh man. $389 from Pro 7.
Upper 39.
Last time I was on duty, you mentioned something about envelopes.
Give me 1 second.
Was
I'll
it
wait.
you
I
who
don't know
mentioned envelopes?
Might have been Daisy.
He has a bunch of envelopes on him.
What's this here?
Do any of them have anything illegal on them?
They had a weapon each, branding, high power each. There's FNX as well.
Copy. Any sort of like bags or anything like that?
Okay, so do you find anything illegal or something, or what?
I don't even know how you even RP that out. Yeah, give me a sec.
I think this guy was clear.
Like wirelessly connected to the yacht security system, like. But I feel like it would say something yacht related, right? I don't know, man. Hey, Damport.
Come over here, go see.
Yeah.
Or wherever. Yeah, so he's got an envelope on him as well, a microchipped envelope.
You must be advised.
He also has a advanced VPN, which I know we confiscate them because they've been found to be in robbery, bank robberies or something.
Yeah.
Whereas the normal VPN's all good, but an advanced one is attached to a bank robbery.
You just want to seize their
obviously
shit and
they
let
had
them go
illegal-
then?
Yeah, I don't know about the envelopes though, because I don't know how much we should know about the envelopes. You know?
Yeah, exactly. So for now, maybe we should
I
ask
can just
Daisy
tell
and
that it's
shit
a
more about it.
microchipped envelope.
Yeah.
Maybe we just do that and tell them that they need to leave the yacht until we get this sorted out or something.
Okay.
Because unless they got a registered business, they shouldn't be operating within the city anyway. So
Yeah.
I don't know. It's kind of a awkward, weird.
Yeah. No, I agree.
All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be seizing your weapons because obviously they're not legal. And what do you want to do with the envelopes?
Yeah, they can keep
In my
them.
grandma's, man.
I can keep them. No worries. So you can keep the envelopes on you. However, we need to look into it a bit further, but we're going to ask you to leave the yacht for now. And, yeah, until we get some further information that we need to gather. So but you guys will be free to go. We're not going to charge you with nothing. I'll drop these cuffs off you. I know you had a phone dog along. I don't give a fuck about that. I'm taking that shit off you. So what I'll do is get you to leave the yacht, and then yeah.
It's okay. It happens. I didn't
All
mention about that.
Goodbye.
See you, boys. Alright, so we've confiscated their weapons and told them to leave the yacht and don't come back until they get a registered business, essentially.
Alright, 10-4.
Yeah, we don't really know. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know anything about the yacht.
Yeah, I talked to SCU, and we know for a fact that some of the services we get are tied to robberies of the yacht vault. But yeah, if they wanna use businesses and stuff like that, they need to be registered within the city, and they need to have proper documentation. You know.
Yeah, I agree.
That's from.
Yeah, no, I remember from when house robberies were a thing. That's when it.
Exactly, because then everybody and their mother had a what, like a bug cleaning, like a bug start company.
Yeah.
This guy's gonna pick me up again. Yeah. Should we clear the yacht? Make sure no one else is here.
Oh yeah, we can clear it.
Was the whole thing cleared before we actually found them, or?
Yeah, we pretty much cleared the whole thing already, to be honest.
Oh, 10-4.
Hello.
Hey, Garcia, I just wanted to remind you, daily reminder that you're a bitch.
All right. What's the point of this, pussy?
What do you mean, what's the point of this pussy? I just want to remind you that you're a bitch.
Okay. Well, I've made you my bitch. So what does that make you?
Wait, how have you made me your bitch?
Is every time you do a crime, I make you my bitch. Unless you're driving away on a bike.
Really? And that's been what, one time? One time that you think that you made me? I'm pretty sure you've only arrested me once, haven't you?
Too much to remember, man.
Yeah. Well, maybe if you're better at your job, you would actually be able to arrest me. But you know, I'm just doing my legal things these days. You know, not doing much crime, just chilling out.
Yeah, like what?
Well, you see, I do this like trash thing now where, you know, you clean up the bar area, make sure it's nice and clean and stop